this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got a really interesting one. This is Maruchan Hakata Yaki Ramen. So, I think it's Fukuoka Hen Yaki Hakata Yaki Ramen. Anyways, this is going to be like a tonkatsu yakisoba. I'm like really curious about this one. It sounds freaking thrilling. And it only takes 1 minute to prepare. That's groovy. And I like things that are groovy. So I literally just like crack this open. Drop the noodle block in the water. How is it only going to take a minute? Come on. Get down in there. Get down on it. Ow! What a freaking God, my finger. Anyways, and then we've got some garnish, some goo, and some powder. So that's all we got there. So you notice it's much quieter on today's episode. Children are thoroughly ensconced with their tabletizing, and what's funny is as soon as the episode ended, I was greeted by the sound of a smoke alarm going off, because this is Friday, and this Friday, today, they're testing the smoke alarms in all the units in our apartment complex. So I'm kind of so that was like what, about 45 minutes ago was the last episode, and now here's this one. So. And it's done? Really? I'm not so sure. Let me, yeah, it's looking done. These are noodles, and they're done. This is their yellow noodles made with kanchi. Okay, so let's drain this puppy. Yeah, the children are generally not fans of alarms. They get a little alarmed by alarms. But it wasn't too bad this go around. Okay, let's see. So there's our stark light noodle. I'm kind of sad because I have a feeling I know exactly what we're going to find here. We got a very light powder base. Here's a liquid. I'm guessing it's going to be very light in shade too. And that's something that bugs me about noodles like this from Japan, because a lot of the time they end up looking exactly, you can't tell the difference. Yeah, look at that. It's like there's a little bit of boogers on it, and that's about all you get. And then you've got this little garnish bit here. Looks like sesame seeds and other bits. And then we'll stir it all up and give her a try. How about that? I am very hopeful with this. I think it could be really good. Therefore, there is the real possibility that I'm really going to dislike it. You never know. That kind of smells like the salad dressing you get on the... when you go get teriyaki and they give you that little salad and the rice and the teriyaki. It smells kind of like the sauce for the salad. They're very, very thin noodles. I'd say they were kind of like Ramen. I've been saying that word a lot lately. Alright. Let's see what we have here. It doesn't smell like tonkatsu to me. We will see. I figure I'll top it kind of like tonkatsu too. Here's our noodle. Mmm. A little bit more stir in there, but wow. It's not bad. One thing that's kind of difficult with it, it's hard to tell how well you've stirred it. Usually, you know, if you put something that's dark in color, like a soy sauce color, you'll see that. You'll see like the light spots. But for this, it's like, it's about the same color as when it started out. One more taste. Mmm. It's pretty good. Definitely one of the better, if not the best thing that I've ever cooked in 1 minute. So, tonkatsu like. Since it's tonkatsu-like, we're gonna add some. Generally, I put this on at the end, but I'm gonna put it on first. Narudamaki. Homemade chashu. Marinated egg, Ajisuki tamago, some spring onion, you certainly watch a lot of shows on their tablets that involve like high-pitched screaming. And in turn, they emulate that. Not always my favorite. Add a little bit more sesame seeds. I gotta say, the right amount of sesame seed popping on the yolk of a marinated egg, it looks really nice. And I like to put a little bit of shichimi directly on the chashu. I like that too. I like it, okay? I like it. And I wasn't going to, but I think there, we'll put a few pieces of bean sprouts. think that was a pretty quick review. I don't know. Sometimes it seems like ones that seem like they're quick to me actually take longer, but it's definitely didn't take forever, that's for sure. Anyways. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is a bit of a treat for you and for me. This one hails from 5 a.m. Ramen. Check out the hashtag on Insta and Twitter. But check out instantramen.jp. A fella named Frank runs that, and he's got like a lot of really neat ramen. This is no exception. I'm sure this is going to be the bomb. This is 7 and I. It's a product of 7-Eleven. It's a premium. It's made by Miojo in collaboration. And it is Ryu Shanghai Spicy Miso. Looks fancy. So, see you tomorrow.